Today I want to show you how to make a simple mask. I have two fabric. This is the lining, that's the outside, and I have two elastic. This is 6 inches long, and we're gonna put the elastic this way and that way in both sides. First, I'm gonna put this face to face, and then I'm gonna sew around it with the elastic in each side. I'm giving myself a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Push it as far back as you can. Then you're gonna take the other end of the elastic that you just put and put it in this end. Now stop there, we're leaving a hole, and I'm gonna flip it. So now I'm gonna show you how I do my pleating. So first I'm gonna take this pleat pointing up. The pleats point up. And then the bottom, the pleats point down. Basically look like that. That other side, just even it up. From here, I'm gonna stitch all the way around. Lock stitch. Done. Basically look like that in the front. This look like in the back. Let me show you what this looks like when you put it on.